all those things. Then you start with these things. Okay, how many operators have you studied? Have you studied about the operators? So tell me what are the Python tokens? We'll be starting from the very zero now. We'll be starting from the zero, from the scratch. What is Python tokens? Must be known about Python tokens. Rohan, no? Python tokens. Yesterday you were able to do the programming, I say. Tell me. Your good name, dear? Name. Python tokens. See, again I'm telling you, you have to be louder because we all are wearing masks. What do you mean by tokens? Anyone from the online classes? What do you mean by Python tokens? No one.
That token is the simplest form of the simplest code in Python.
Simplest code in Python. Any other answers?
The single word is called
Single word is called token. We don't have that. I asked you about the Python tokens, right? See, if I talk about a very simple English sentence, suppose I say, a very simple English sentence that you study in university, let's say, first second classes, so, this writing this thing in this, giving these spaces, right? Writing these words, all up. The smallest unit of any program is known as Python token or any of the language token. We have C tokens, C++ tokens, Java tokens. Each and every programming languages have some tokens. Token is known as the smallest unit of any programming language. For example, suppose I am writing C equals to 2 plus 3. This is a token. This is a token. This is a token. How they are tokens? It's an identifier. It's an identifier, yes or no? This is an assignment operator. This is an arithmetic operator. So operators, identifiers, literals, these all are what? This is what? 2 and 3. Again, they are the tokens. They are literals. Literals mean the values. You don't know about these things?
We studied, but like it's like in gaps. So like
you know this thing? You did in 9th class? 9th class, what subject you were having 9th?
Python was introduced in the
9th. Then looping we did in 10th.
Okay. Okay. Can I request everyone in the online classes to put their videos on? It will be really helpful for me. Please put your videos on, everyone. Now see. Under the adjuster? You don't have the adjuster as well? You don't have the adjuster for this?
कंप्यूटर नाम में रखते हैं और फिर वाइट बोर्ड पर ऐसा लाइक क्लास में
Now let's see. If I ask you the basic difference between this and this, divide and double divide. Just raise your hand, who knows it. 3. Don't know about this. Were you regular in the online classes? So you are a new admission. Are you a new admission? You are taking classes regularly online as well? What is this and this? Divide and double divide. You don't know? Divide and double divide. So this is the response of having the online classes. Divide and double divide.
So the first one is normal division, which gives the answer in decimal.
So these are slashes, I thought they were 1
The
or
second
11.
one is flow division.
These are slashes, like I thought they were 1 or 11.
Slash.
Yes, slashes.
Okay,
The
sir.
second one
I
is-
told you, single divide, double divide.
So the second one is flow division. It only gives the answer in whole numbers.
What if I have written like this?
One,
I have written 8 divide 5.0. Flow division 5.0.
So answer will be 1.
Shashwat, wrong.
1 point.
It will be 1.0. Now you will say, so flow division says that we'll be eliminating the decimal part. But you have placed a decimal part. Keep in mind, if you are dividing a number which is having decimal, for sure you'll be getting a 0.0 at the end. If you're using the flow division or the simple division. But if you have used simple division in this, what you must be getting it? Aryan, what you'll be getting if I divide 8 with 5?
Sir, we would get
Yes, Aryan?
होल क्यों नहीं रहे?
You just have to do simple division, nothing else. What you'll be getting? What are you waiting for? What you'll be getting? 1.6? What if this is expression 8 divide 5? Now what?
one.
Now? Understood? What is the difference between this and this? Just raise your hands again. Same.
The double one assigned.
Yes? अच्छा चलो just name the operators. Which operator is this and which operator is this? You have an excuse that you are in late mission.
ma'am.
Yes.
Sir, sir, single equals to assignment and double equals to means equal to.
What is the name of double equal? Which kind of operator is this? Aryan, which kind of operator is this?
It is an automatic operator.
Wrong. Shashwat?
Sir,
Equality.
Relational
Sir,
operator.
equality operator.
So it is an relational operator.
Assignment operator.
Double equal. Relational operator. That's your relational operator. But how many relational operators are there? Your double equal,
Double equal to
greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to, and not equals to. And how do you write not equals to, Rohan? Exclamatory then equal, right? Exclamatory then equal. These are the angular brackets are used for the greater than, less than, right? What kind of value, what kind of literal is returned when this expression is executed? This relational operators are executed. What kind of literal do we get returned? Okay, what do you mean by literals?
the numerical value.
Whatever value.
Numerical, only numerical. How many kind of literals are there? How many kind of literals are there?
Literal.
There are numeric literals and non-numeric literals.
The The strings float.
You don't know about this?
The strings float.
Integers.
You-
Integers के कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? Integers के कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं?
Integers है।
Hence, हाँ,
Integers
okay.
और float आता है। And strings होता है।
And strings.
Moving. Yes. From the online classes, anyone?
Yes, sir.
बोलो
Sir, the types of literals are string literals, numeric literals, floating literals, boolean literals, collection literals.
Okay. Okay, so what kind of literals do we have? We have numeric literals. Inside numeric literals, we have integer literals, we have floating point literals, we have exponent literals as well, right? Then we have string literals. We have two kinds of string literals, single line string and your multiple line string. How do you initialize a single line string and multiple line string? Aren't you writing anything? At least you can see. I will not dictate anything, right? Whatever I am teaching to you, you have to make your own notes. We're in class 11th now. Single line string and multiple line string. How do you create them? Okay. Can you please again ask Didi? Please bring her attention.
For
Please.
single line string, we put double inverted commas or single inverted commas and then put the context or text.
For single line string.
Yeah.
Huh.
For double, we put triple.
For multiple. For multiple.
For multiple line, we put triple in first and beginning and triple at end.
Other than comment, like triple, and like comment.
No, see. If you are assigning that thing in a variable, it will not be a comment then. If you are assigning that thing in an identifier, it will not be a comment then. Let him bring the rest. Let me
So
tell
the
you.
single one is like hashtag.
That's all.
For single line comments, you give a hashtag. Simple hash.
Actually, sir, we know the stuff, but we don't know the right wordings for it. So like we are confused about that.
Don't worry. I'll be teaching you everything. You'll be master in computer science, for sure. Every one of you. But again, you need to cooperate. You have to be responsive in the class. Right? You can't be just sit quiet in the class. I know, see, you all are in the learning stage. You are here to learn something. Right? But I just need you to please respond. Right? Please ask the questions if it is not understood. Don't sit quiet. We'll move further. We'll move to the next topic only if the topic is 100% clear to you. I do not move to the next topic if the students are clear only with the 99.9% also. If it is 100% clear to all of you, then we'll move to the next topic. Right? It's a logical subject. It's not we'll rot up the things. Rotting up is not easy in this subject. This is the logical subject. You have to use your mind. You have to use your brain. I think from the next class onwards, I have to bring my own duster and marker.
So multiple line string, we can put 3 inverted commas.
We have to put. But let me tell you what is actually the difference between single line string and multiple line string. Using the correct syntax. With an example. Okay, anyone from the online classes? Pragya, Bhavya, Sanket, Vanshika, Dishita, any one of you? Single line strings and the multiple line strings. What are escape sequences?
We use inverted commas.
We have to use inverted commas. It's a rule to create a string literal. We have to use inverted quotes. Single, double, triple. We have 3 kinds of inverted quotes that we have to use in your string literals. What do you mean by escape sequences? Escape sequences. You must have heard about this.
Escape sequences.
You haven't heard it. Backslash n, backslash t. नहीं पढ़ा. But you have studied it. Again, this thing is in the first chapter, Python fundamentals. When you study about the Python tokens, when you come to the topic of the literals, In literals, we have string literals. String literals may we have this topic escape sequences. I can show you in the book.
We are not studying on the mark.
But this is for
The white.
sorry. So ma'am has kept all these things in this 11th.
Basically, ma'am introduced something and then we move on to the new topic. Ma'am said कि like the chapter start करेंगे specifically तब पढ़ो. Chapter को starting.
Table.
5.9. So I guess we studied about this like.
So how will I be teaching if I don't get the white poster? Chalo. See. I was telling you about the multiple line string and the single line string. Right?
Sir, in multiple difference, we use triple quotes, sir.
Use triple quotes for what?
Sir, in multi-line string, sir, we use triple quotes, sir.
We use that. Yes. Suppose I want to write hello. A is hello world. If I print this, if I print A, hello world will get printed in the same line. Will be printed in?
Next line. What
Will be printed in? Same line. Will be printed in? Next line. This is a difference between the multiple line and single line. Right? We are using double quotes. This slash is used to give a break. And we are finished with this line and we want to go to the next line. So that is why we are using that. But if I place triple quotes here, it will take it as a multiple line string. If I print A, the output will be like clear? Understood? Any doubts in this? Don't. The student at the back. You're not interested in listening to this topic? Are you interested? Have you understood what I was teaching, what I was telling? Sure? Alright, and then we were talking about the escape sequences. Now suppose I'm printing hello world. It will be in the same line, hello world. What if I place an escape sequence backslash n here? The output will be like hello and world in the second line. So this backslash n is the escape sequence which is known as next line operator. Backslash n is used for the next line. Right? It will break here. Hello will be printed. Next at counters that we have in backslash n. So the next statement will be in the next line. Clear? What if I would have written hello backslash t word. Backslash t is a tab operator. You can write it down. You know? Backslash n is used for the next line. Yes, Ashwat?
So then there will be a big space in between. A tab.
There is a big space in between. Right? A space of having four spaces basically. You know, the gap between will be having four spaces. Just like a tab that you have a tab in your keyboard, no? It will give that much space in your output screen. So single tab. Hello, then four spaces, world, like this. Clear? Yes or no? But if I want to print it like this, See, I need to print, the output should be like Ram's book. How will I able to print this? I just have to write in double quotes as it is Ram's book. No. You cannot place single slash like this. For placing a single slash, you need again an escape sequence. Ram backslash single quote S. For placing a single slash, for placing a comma, for placing slash as well, for placing double quotes as well, you need backslash, and then whatever the symbol you want to use, you can use that symbol. No, for color we don't need anything. But see, this code will think that we are closing this statement, right? Because print will work with single quotes as well and with double quotes as well. The class is over. The class is over. The class is still 10. So we got very less time today, and yes, and we were short with the stationaries. Double quotes Ram backslash apostrophe Ram's book. Right? Escape sequence. It is there in the book. Everything must be there in the book. Is it there? Please see. See, it is there. For single quote, we use backslash. Chalo, we got very less time today, but we'll be having a class tomorrow as well.
Yes, it should be on like
Saturdays. This Saturday is not working.
on Tuesday.
Non-Tuesday we'll be having the class. Okay then. We're ending the session. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir.